Ayla and Shem were really happy after a long time because after 18 years of their marriage, they delivered a baby boy. Ayla delivered this baby boy at the age of 35 years. Though during her pregnancy, she faced a lot of hurdles. But as this was their first pregnancy, they were still really excited and enthusiastic. As you can see, how happy and self satisfied the couple looks, looking their baby boy with cheerful eyes and immense love. They named their baby boy Jim, the little boy lying comfortably on bed. They all are really happy and very excited, and they are planning to introduce their baby boy to their extended family. But then something unusual happens with the baby boy, and they got really worried. Their happiness did not last long. Soon their baby boy started to show some abnormal signs and symptoms. Ayla and Sham got really worried and alarmed. One day, returning back from shopping, they met John. They explained the whole situation of their little newborn to John. And then John, who recently got treated for Cushing syndrome, clicked instantly. He mentioned Dr. Hamia Adil's name and convinced Ayla and Sham to visit Dr. Hamia Adil's clinic to get her advice for their little jam. So, after getting convinced from John, Ayla and Sham decided to visit Dr. Hamia's Adil clinic, and they paid thanks to John and decided to go to Dr. Hamia's Adil clinic to get the diagnosis of their little baby boy. So, hello, my friends, and welcome back to my clinic once again. Please meet my new patients. They visited me by the reference of my patient John. Remember, the one whom I have treated for Cushing syndrome. So, here they are discussing the clinical history of their 3-month-old boy and explaining me the whole scene, how he was born, what difficulties they have faced, and what were their alarming conditions and the situations that brought them to my hospital. In this scenario, they are really worried, but they have a small smile on their face and hoping for the best for their future. So, after listening the baby boy's symptoms and signs, Ayla and Shem invited me to have a look into the flashback. So, I would like to request all of you to join me and let's see that what happened in the flashback. Their baby boy was delivered in the nearby hospital and he was born through the C-section. So, this was a little boy, Jim, who was born in the OT department, and he was born with the congenital heart disease and with the low set ears, with the slanting eyes, and with the broad nose. So, according to Ayla and Sham, the doctors during her trimesters explained that something is abnormal with the baby boy. But due to the lack of knowledge, due to the lack of lab test, and some because of some low socioeconomic conditions of Ayla and Sham, their baby boy case remained underdiagnosed. So, just after seeing the baby's face, I got with my diagnosis. But wait, as you know that it's a rule of medicine that the doctors they have to be 100% sure. So before making my final diagnosis, I have to actually call my friend or my colleague on board to help me out in this and make a proper diagnosis.